Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So we have yet another notification out on a training program. This is on biomedical techniques in modern biology. This is by the Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. This is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So they have this training program on biomedical techniques in modern biology. This is a completely sponsored program by Department of Health Research, ICMR. This is organized by their Center for Molecular and Biomedical Sciences at Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. The date is going to be from 12th of November 2025 to 20th of December 2025. The timings is going to be from morning 9 a.m. to evening 4:30 p.m. The training session is going to be uh, during this time duration. The venue they have mentioned is their International Research Center at SIST. The program is basically a blend of theory come hands-on practical sessions on biomedical techniques. There are going to be some research designing projects as well as some troubleshooting sessions on day-to-day research live and some skill development program on modern biology techniques. The program has a vast module. It will cover from confocal microscopy techniques to flow cytometry, immunofluorescence, immunoblotting, live cell imaging, qPCR, 3D cell culture, ELISA, cell culture, molecular docking, etc. The eligibility that they have mentioned is you could be any faculty or a scientist working at any private government sector, or you could be pursuing, or you have completed PhD, MBBS, BDS, MSc. Um, from these courses, you are eligible to apply for this training program. The registration link they have mentioned here, you can also find this registration link down in our description box, so do check that out. The limited seats is going to be for this training program, so this is only going to be a 20 participant program so that like each student or each participant is uh, very much highly focused on and their doubts are listened. They are involved in this training session in the lecture classes and the hands-on training sessions. There's not going to be any registration fees whatsoever because this is a completely fully funded program by ICMR DHR. The certificate will be issued once you have successfully completed the program. There's also this scanner given here to register. You can also use the scanner to register yourself. The important date is that 5th November. Before this, you have to apply for this training program. This is the last date, 5th November, and selected participants will be intimated by 6th of November. You have to get a no objection certificate from the participants' institution. This is mandatory, and you have to arrange your own accommodation, and you will not be reimbursed for your travel. So, travel and accommodation, you have to look it out for yourself. Rest everything is sponsored, and there is no registration fees also. So this is about the program. This is a very nice program. It's a long program for you to learn from their theory and as well as hands-on practical sessions. So this you can apply for it if you want to. This is a nice opportunity. The batch size is also very small, so complete attention will be given to individuals. So if you're applying for it, all the best. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or this program, you can drop it down in the comment section. We'll answer it for you guys. If you found this video useful, make sure that you like our video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure that you do that as well and press